those are your adjectives.
I would say best dressed as well.
I appreciate all of that. I completely forgot. I was so into the forecast, I forgot what
We'll
today
remember
was.
the cake tomorrow.
Okay, I appreciate that. Yes, thank you. My waistline.
We had donuts. We
My
had a
waistline
donut.
thanks you too. Yeah. All right, let's dive into this, and thanks to all my coworkers. It's very kind of you guys. So here's what's going on right now. We've got a combo of rain and freezing rain, and yes, we've had thunderstorms around. Nothing severe, but it definitely will grab your attention between now and about 2, 3 in the morning. Potential for a lot of this is going to be on stop signs, maybe some power lines and trees, and possibly some of the streets. Untreated surfaces, elevated surfaces could get a little slick here. So that's going to be probably just to the north and east of Indy. But right now here in Indy at this hour, excuse me, we're at 32 and our dew point's 27. And that's key because we can actually cool down a little bit with the precipitation that's going on, and we've got an east wind. The roads, for the most part around the metro area, they are wet. Elevated surfaces, we'll have to keep tabs on here as we go through time. 31 in Greenfield, 31 in Crawfordsville, and as we told you the last couple of days, the difference from a cold rain to a freezing rain is very, very slim with this particular setup. And there was some of those rumbles of thunder that we had over Shelby County. Had numerous reports, had some folks down in Bloomington as well talking about this. This is the winter weather advisory that's just east and north of Indy, but it includes Hamilton County, it includes Richmond and Muncie and Anderson. It starts officially at 5 o'clock and goes until 4 a.m. So it's a narrow window. We're thinking a lot of folks are going to get home just with wet roads, and then by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, this thing's long gone. But between that time, and we're already starting to get reports of some trees and power lines getting a little bit of a glaze, and we'll probably have to push this pink area down to the south just a little bit based on what's happening right now. Now here's Future Track 13. This is at 9, 10 o'clock here this evening. I expect we're going to get scattered to numerous thunderstorms, even with those temperatures in the mid-30s. And then the cold air is going to linger longer in that zone. That's why we're a little more concerned about travel from Lafayette, Richmond, Muncie, and Kokomo here. But notice, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, everyone well above freezing. So this will not impact your commute tomorrow morning. This evening on the roadways, we'll be watching it, and we'll see how long it can accumulate on some of the power lines to see if we can get any power outages. Hopefully that's not going to be the case, but some pockets of that, we can't completely rule it out. Tomorrow, after drizzle and little fog in the morning, we finish the day with sunshine and temperatures near 50 degrees. Should be a nice finish to the day. It's going to be breezy. Friday's a quiet day, and then boom, we're right back at this on Saturday. We are going to be rainy and chilly, and temperatures in the low 40s, and then potential for some snowflakes middle part of next week. We'll get to that part in a few days. We'll keep you updated.